Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MakeDirect by Soppari, helping you to make money through online. So it's been very long. I haven't posted any video apart from these promotional videos. I haven't come across with any money making strategies. So now I'm back with an solid evidence, with a solid proof, like how to make money just by promoting other people's product. Okay. And if you're new to this channel, then I request you to subscribe. Okay, and from today till 2 weeks, the series of these videos would be surely you would be surely interested in it, and you would be surely making some handsome money by watching my videos. These strategies won't be shown anywhere, and you only follow people who show evidence, okay, who show earning proofs on money earning techniques or making money online techniques. Okay, so the platform where we are going to work today is on Digistore 24, and it's a platform where it's an affiliate platform where we would be promoting other vendor products, and we are going to make some kind of commissions from them. Okay, if there is a sale, we would be getting a commission. It might be 50%, it might be 60%, but we would be surely getting commissions. And I've been working on this from past 45 days. Like, I've been doing research. This video is for an educational purpose, so I've been doing research on that, and I would be coming across with all the different strategies, like 3 different strategies, which is completely free. You need not to invest single bug on that, or you not to spend anything into advertisements. Everything is completely free, and I'm sure, like, after watching all my videos from today, you would be surely making some handsome money. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. And here is my Digistore 24 dashboard, and you can see clearly I have been generating around $1,013 within 45 days, and I would be refreshing the website. You can see I've just refreshed it, and I request you to please follow people who show evidence, or whoever show proof to you. I request you to follow them. Why? Because those are proven ways, and you can follow those ways to make money from your end. And coming to Digistore 24, it's quite easy to sign up. Same like signing up to your Facebook or Instagram account. The same way you have to sign up for Digistore account. So once you sign up, this is how your dashboard looks like. Everything would be 0 here. So how to promote the product now? How to select the product? So the product you have to select is from the marketplace. So click on marketplace, and the product which I have promoted is Meticore, and the second product is Overnight Millionaire by Wesley Virgin. So coming to Meticore, there would be a promote option here, like promote now button over here. So once you click that promote now button, the link would be generated. The affiliate link would be generated on your name. Okay, so once it is generated, just copy that link, go to bit.ly.com. okay, it's nothing but it just shorten your URL. Why? Because long URL doesn't look that catchy. Okay, so go to bit.ly.com, and here you paste your affiliate link and click on shorten. Boom, you can see the link is really very small and it's pretty good, and you can save it in a notepad. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to reveal you like what are the 3 different strategies I've been using to generate the amount. Okay, so let's go with the first strategy now. The first easy way to generate traffic is from Pinterest. Okay, go create a business account on Pinterest. Why? Because you can track the analytics over here. So I request you to just sign up with a business account. It would be very easy for you to track the statistics. So I'm going to show you exactly how my Pinterest account has been working. So what I've been doing on Pinterest, everything I'm going to reveal you now. So this is my Pinterest account. Okay, I'm going to show you the overview like how people are visiting my affiliate link. So here you can see like around 1.9 impressions, okay, and the link clicks are around 17 link clicks, and impressions are around 1.9k. And you can see MakeDirect product. MakeDirect is nothing but a weight loss supplement. So for the supplement, people are visiting my pins, and from there they're getting diverted to the affiliate link. So it's quite easy. Like what you need to do is just click on create pin and click on create pin, and then after you have to generate your pin over here. So I'm going to show you how to generate that also. Visit canva.com. okay, I'll just put everything in the description, okay, the links in the description, you can check that. Go visit canva.com, and here you search for Pinterest pin. Okay, done. So now here you can easily edit your pin. Okay, you can just drag and drop the images, edit your pin, and post it on your Pinterest account. So I'm going to delete this picture. So I'm already having some uploaded images with me. You can upload it from your end. So I'm having uploaded images, so I would be uploading those images. Done. Okay, and here MakeDirect, the size is really big, so I'm going to decrease the size. 130 is really big, so I'm going to do it 120. The background color, I'm going to change it to black. That's it. This is just for an example, so I'm going to download it. And the magic is here. So, you know, when people would be converting to your link, that is a catchy title and a catchy description. Okay, you have to use a very good title and a description. Okay, I really like people who do games with title and description, like who play games with title and description. You start doing research and you know, particular keywords, keyword research and everything. I'm going to make how to do those keyword research in my future videos, so I request you to subscribe now so that you won't be missing anything. So once you have downloaded your pin, click on upload, and here you would be having your pin. Just upload it, give a catchy title and a catchy description, and here add a destination link. If in case you give your affiliate link, what happens? Let us check what would be happening. So I'm having my affiliate link, so I'm going to paste that shorten link over here. So let's click on publish. So what happens? Let us check. It's taking some time, and you can see there is a note. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. So from here, you know, in other videos, like other tutorial videos, people would be just saying you, they would be asking you to post the link. Then after they won't be showing any proof that this would be an error coming when you post the link. So here we would be playing a game. Like there is another strategy included over here. I'm going to show you that simple strategy. Please stay tuned. So to overcome this issue, I have created a landing page, okay, with free SSL certification, and this is how the landing page looks like. And you know, I couldn't show you the complete video like how to create this landing page in this video, but in my upcoming videos I'm going to show you how to create this landing page also, and with the domain name with free SSL certificate. So now, you know, by copying this link, I would be copying this link and paste it over in Pinterest, and let's see what would be happening. And you know, you shouldn't miss my next videos so that you would be coming across to know how to make this landing page for free, and it would be taking around 10 to 15 minutes of time. So that's the reason I'm not showing you everything in this video. So please subscribe to visit my next video. And here on Pinterest, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just paste it. Let's see what happened. I'm going to select my board. This is my board, and here I'm going to click on publish. That's it. You can see here like the pin is clearly posted into my board, so there is no issue with the link. So these strategies no one would be showing you, and in my videos you would be coming across all the different strategies. Okay, so the second strategy where we are going to follow to generate traffic is Instagram. So we have to work on Instagram. Like per day on Instagram you have to post around 3 to 4 different kind of posts. So how to make those creatives on Instagram? So it's quite easy, like posting your photos on Facebook or Instagram. Same thing, you have to do it on Instagram by creating an new account. Okay, so go just create your new account. And how to make the creative? Come again back to the canva.com, and here in the search bar just search for Instagram post. You know, there are a lot many ready-made themes with you. You can select any one theme, so I'm going to select this theme. Let's see what would be happening here. So the creative ideas should be from your end. Each and everything cannot be shown over here. So the creative ideas you need to prepare it from your end. I'm going to, I think this would be really good. So I'm going to change the text. Same way you have to create, download it, and go paste it on Instagram. So from there also on Instagram you just give your link in the bio section. From there, if people are interested to buy your product, they just click on the link in your description and they get landed on your affiliate product. If they're interested, they would be buying. If not, then the other person would be buying it. So there are a lot many ways. This is the second way. And the third way where we are going to work is on Twitter. On Instagram, please make note, per day you have to post nearly around 3 different kind of posts, and hashtags minimum 5 and maximum should be 15 to 20. Okay, and when it comes to Twitter, you do the same thing, like go to Canva and search for Twitter post. You get a ready-made theme over there and just edit the theme. And you know, if you like to know more about Canva, like how to work on Canva, just comment down below. I like to learn Canva, so that I would be making videos on Canva also. So go to Twitter, and here you would be finding like lot many Twitter themes. Okay, go select one Twitter post, edit your information over there. Just I'm going to select this theme, this creative. It's taking a bit time, so it's quite easy. Just I'm going to delete this photo. You can drag and drop the text here and there. Just edit it and go to Twitter and post it over there. So keep on posting on Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. Like on Twitter, per day you do 10 posts, and coming to Instagram you do 3 posts or 4 posts per day. And when it comes to Pinterest, I request you to do around 5 to 7 posts per day. So this would be helping you out to, you know, to get registered on search engines. Your images, your creatives would be registered on search engine also. If anyone search for the product, you know, there might be chances like people get diverted from those creatives to your landing page. So there are a lot many ways, but these are the 3 solid ways where we can generate this money here. What you have seen, the same money, you can also do it from your end. So don't lose your hope, keep on trying. And what people would be doing is for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, they just do it. If they doesn't see any sale, then just leave it. So you shouldn't lose your hope, keep on trying. Like for 1 week, 2 weeks, I've got my first sale after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, I've got my first sale. So keep on trying, don't lose your hope, and do subscribe to my channel. Why? Because the coming videos what I would be posting is really very crucial. You would be learning a lot. This is just a sample. You would be learning a lot, and you would be working along with me so that you can also generate some amount, and you can do what all things you can do. Just watch my videos. That's it. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Take care.